How to turn on PIP mode on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pip Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Now, one of the ways to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube on both Android and iOS is to get the YouTube Premium. However, if you don't want to do so, if you don't want the premium, then what you can do is on the Android device, you can open up YouTube. Once you open up YouTube, you can set it up and keep it on background apps. So once on the background apps, what you can do is you can tap and hold, and then you'll find the option that is drop here for pop-up view on the middle of your screen. If you drag it upwards or downwards, it'll ask you to drop on upwards or downwards, but you want to drag it on the middle and drop it there. Then you can see YouTube, you can open it up. However, you can resize it as well, and you can move it around as well, and you can use the apps in the background as well. So this is the way that you can enable the PRP mode on YouTube on Android. If you have premium mode, you can enable it easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.